Tuesday morning on ESPN's Get Up, actor and Boston native Ben Affleck was asked about his thoughts on the MLB's sign-stealing scandal, but he had more passionate thoughts on another cheating scandal. Affleck said, quote, "I can tell you Deflategate was bull expletive. That was some totally made-up, fraudulent claim. Tell us how you really feel, Benny." It's not the first time the actor's spoken out about the scandal. In 2016, he delivered a profanity-laden rant defending Tom Brady and the Patriots on Bill Simmons' Any Given Wednesday. Apparently, the whole debacle's still irking him. I'm sure many Bostonians can relate.